Two questions we get asked about this product is how is it organized and do I need to go in order? ThinkUp does not have to be worked cover to cover. Each North Carolina Standard Course of Study content standard is covered in ThinkUp Math. These units are generally ordered to follow the numbering of the state. Occasionally, standards might be grouped for optimal instruction. Each unit is titled based on the main concept being covered in the unit, and the focus standard is listed in bold. You are able to go in order, but you have the freedom to skip around and go to units that directly cover the standard that you are currently focusing on in your classroom. The Teacher Resources in the back of your Teacher Edition provides lots of additional resources to support your instruction, from the standards for mathematical practices to the Hess Cognitive Rigor Matrix. There are lots of useful tools at your fingertips. You will also find the glossary with all your vocabulary words defined in the back as well. The revised Bloom's taxonomy and the grade level mathematics chart are also available teacher resources. We know that ThinkUp Math might be new to you, so we provide a section titled Important Uses of ThinkUp Math, which will give you guidance on how to use this resource effectively in your classroom. I challenge you to take 10 minutes to explore these resources in the back of your Teacher Edition and discover for yourself the incredible tools provided to assist you in your planning. Lastly, we provide answer keys at the end of each unit. Not only do we provide the answers, but we provide the level of depth of knowledge, DOK, and revised Bloom's taxonomy, RBT.
Take one, marker.